All right, today we're gonna bring this leaf blower, and 2 batteries are included in here, including the charging station. Now on the battery, it shows you the actual power in the back, all right? You hit the power button here. Hold on the button, it's gonna show you it's fully charged. To charge it is right here, it's hidden in the back, all right? Like I said, they include 2 batteries. The whole system itself, instructions how to put this together. Something very important you guys need to know. This right here holds the extension inside, so we're gonna take it out if you guys can see it. So if you think you're missing a piece, it's in the system, all right? So don't call in technical support or that you're missing a part. It's in the base itself. Here it is. I'm gonna put it together. All right, let's put this thing together. And the way it works is very simple, right? Batteries go in the back, nozzle goes in the front. If you guys can see, this part right here clips in there. And then the last part right here, which is the bottom, all right, or the top, you see it? It clips right there, all right? And there we have the whole thing. And then to set up the battery, in the back, battery goes here. And that's pretty much it, all right? So you're able to face down the whole thing, turn it on. That's level 1, level 2, level 3. All right, so this thing I just completely cleaned up. I need to pile up all the trash, everything, all the debris, all the cardboard pieces. We need to clean it up. So we're gonna turn it up. Level 3 on this one. Overall, like the quietness of the system. It's not too loud for your neighbors, won't complain. This is perfect. The battery is going to last you for a long time, and it comes with 2 batteries too. It's powerful enough to actually move all the debris and the grass, pile it up in one area. It's easier for me to clean it. Very simple, very easy to put together and assemble. Make sure you look for the pipe, it's in the middle. So hope you guys enjoy the video.